In Python, what's the best way to access the index while iterating over a list inside of a for loop? In this video, I'll show you. You can use the built-in Python function called enumerate. And so up here, the first thing we do is we specify a variable called myList. That's just a list with characters A, B, and C. And then we do for index and value in enumerate of myList. We print the index, which again is right here, and then the value. And I'll show you what this output looks like. So we're going to loop through each of the values inside of A, B, and C, and then we are also going to get the index for each of these values for where they are in the list as we loop through it. So I can run that file, and then we get 0 at A, 1B, 2C. And if you're not sure why the first value is at index 0, it's because Python is what we call zero delimited, which means that the counting starts at 0. So the first value is 0, and then it's 1, 2, and so on and so forth. And now down here, I'll just simply show you that you don't have to use the variable names index and value. You can use whatever you want in these two spots. So I have IDX and val. One main thing to keep in mind here, though, is that while these names can be whatever you want, the first variable that you specify here is going to be the index, and the second variable that you specify here is going to be the value. And so then I'll run this, and you can see that it'll give me the same output. And that's how you can get the index when you loop through a list. Thank you, and I hope that this was helpful.